Hi guys, I just wanted to give you some kind of small heads up because the Amazon Prime Day of 2019 is almost here. It starts on July 16th at 3 o'clock Eastern PM Eastern time, and I think it lasts for 2 days. So the good thing is, if you are not already Amazon Prime member, you can sign up for a free 30-day trial, which gives you the opportunity to access all these nice deals. So what you have to be aware of that you can save even more. That's a really great thing. I mean, here's some tips and recommendation. As always, I'm not going into details. You get some advantages when you are an Amazon Prime member. I mean, I'm Amazon Prime member since a couple of years, and I definitely don't regret, even when I'm not using the Amazon Prime Video, which is free, and Amazon Prime Music, actually at all, or not much. But these are so great. I mean, when you shop a lot, like electronics and other stuff, and you're too lazy to go to the supermarket for every cable or battery or whatsoever, so that's definitely a great thing to have everything fast at your doorstep and have free returns, and free delivery at your doorstep, free and fast. So here, what's really important, what I wanted to show you when you go down to the site, when you go to Amazon, I think when you go probably to the site, then there's a link. There's already a lot of information about Amazon Prime Day. And by the way, it's exclusively difficult word for me. Exclusively, it works for Prime members. So you can click on that, get additional information, all these categories here. And when you want to start, here you can click Amazon Try Prime, and you get also additional information what you will get, like about these free movies, free music, and so many more things. And here again, back to the site where we have been. When you go down, you find something which is really important. Extra savings. You can get an extra $10 Amazon credit if you sign into the app. $10 when you reload $100 to the Amazon gift card balance. I mean, that doesn't cost you anything. When you plan to spend $100 on the long term, it's definitely a good thing to do that. You can install the Amazon Assistant for extra $10, spend $10 at the Whole Food Market and get another $10 and so on. You can really save a lot. Only here you will find $40 extra on cash, which you can use. That's an awesome thing. So here again to down at the some offers. I'll scroll through the couple of things. So you get a sneak peek. It stopped now. So I switched a little bit to really good offers, but for some you can't see the price. I don't know why, but you see there's so huge variety of things which you can buy for cheap. I mean, there's almost in every category there is something around. That's really awesome, and I'm gonna show you also some really premium things which have been already dropping in price. I always have some price alerts running, like here we have the DJI Mavic, one of the best quadcopters with remote control. It has dropped, I think for the first time, below $700 with Prime, so it's only $679 at the moment. So I'm really close to buy. I need just some extra cash. I mean, if I would have the money, I would definitely buy one. Then what do you have here? Yeah, Samsung. Here the Samsung latest Galaxy S10 factory unlocked dropped for the first time below 700 or below 750. It's 699. And one other thing which I have noticed, the Blink XD or XT2 is available in a 2-pack package for $99. So here we have the listing, and normal price for a 2-camera kit is $179. So it's available for only $99.99. No joke, no kidding. This is such a great deal. Yeah, here you see that instead of $179 you get the new system. I mean the XT2. That's a new system with two-way communication, and you get it for only $99. I've paid just recently $100 for the old system. Now you get the 2 cameras of the new system for $99. That's incredible, and probably that only works when you are on Prime. I don't know. Check it out. That's awesome. There are so many great deals if you plan to do something. By the way, this is like security camera, but you can also use it as a deer camera. I have already caught a lot of really nice footage with this camera. So it's an amazing deal, and probably there are much more. I mean, I didn't have time to catch everything, but there are so many good things around, and there will be coming more. And I will put down the link to Amazon into the description, so you can use that to directly go to Amazon. And yeah, it's an affiliated link, and it will help my channel to grow, to test. I mean, you know, when I'm buying new products, it costs a lot, and it provides me some financials to be able to buy new stuff, and that's always good. And so I can show you new products and show how they work and so on, and it doesn't have any kind of disadvantages if you're using this link. It just shows you some appreciation for my channel, and it helps me to keep going. That would be really awesome. And yeah, thank you so much if you decide to use that. And yeah, I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.